everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampinCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me for another video today. We're doing part 2 of our card candy for this month. This card candy, I showed it last time, but this is from Carrie Ray, and she's part of our team. And so card candy, if this is your first time watching, is a sheet of elements that you can remove and put on a card. So Carrie used the Bird's Eye View stamp set for hers. This is a carryover set, so this will be available in the new catalog. I feel like something weird. Okay, so what I did is just pick out some sheets of cardstock, and I did Pool Party, Petal Pink, and Calypso Coral. These are the ones that Carrie used, and then I had some white just in case, because these have a lot of color, so I may just add white on the front of some. So I'm going to do at least 3 cards, maybe we'll do more, but the goal with the card candy is things that you can make quick, simple cards with. So I am going to use this one first. Okay, I'm looking to see, I almost want to put, no, I don't, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to put a layer of white, and this is what I'm going to do. We're going to put a layer of white on this one, because that's going to make that little tag pop that's so cute. Oh. All right. I'm looking for dimensionals. I'm using up the rest of my black ones here. Okay. All right. So I'm going to put this right here. And I pulled out a stamp set. I just did the So Sincere. And I'm trying to think what I want to do. I think I want to put something on the bottom. Let's do a little thank you card. Okay. I think that can fit. Oh, that'll fit perfectly right there. Let's grab ourselves a block and some memento. And hope we get this straight the first time, since we have already attached it. Okay, I think that'll work. And let's see, we have a couple other elements. We have a little heart here, so I'm going to add this little heart too, because she's already got a little heart element. I'm just going to throw that on right there. That's so cute. I might add some more elements or more embellishments later, but I think that is adorable. Okay, let's go to our second card. Let's see, I want to do Calypso Coral for this one. Okay. I'm going to do this fun big square one down here. That. You know what I want though? I think I want a piece of white that I want to put in the center of that. Let's do things flying. Let's cut, how big is that? 2 inches. Let's cut a 2-inch piece off of this white. I can't pick it up. I can't pick it up. Come on, paper. Okay. I'll put that right, you know what, maybe, you know what I'm thinking? There's a happy birthday on here. I'm going to pull out of this stamp set. I cut it apart, of course. Let's see if we can put it back together so that it looks pretty straight on the block. Okay. Will that happy birthday fit on here? It will. Okay, let's do that. we're just going to work with one stamp set and with what we have. Let's see how that looks. I shouldn't have wiggled it. Let's flip it over and do it again without the wiggle, and we will be good. Perfect. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. We are going to just place this over on this side. Not right to the edge, but right there. Let's see how that looks. Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay, dimensionals. Here we go. I've got my Teflon scissors here so nothing sticks to them. Let's go ahead and just cut all that up so we're ready to go. Okay. Okay, here we go. That's cute, cute, cute. I love it. That's it. I'm done. Not very straight. Let's straighten it up and then we can say we're done. Okay, that's a little bit straighter. Okay, cute. I will put a white piece on the inside. I'm not going to do it right now, but I would put a white piece in there. Okay, that's two. All right, let's do Pool Party for our next one. So we get one of each color. Okay, then I'm going to take this one next. Okay, now let me think. What I really want to put is a piece of vellum behind that. But I think I'm going to do this white, but I'm going to cut it down just a little bit. Let's get rid of that. Let's cut this down to 3 3/4 by 5 by 5. Okay. And then what do we have in our sentiments? I want a big sentiment. Be grateful for what you have. Be proud of who you are. I like that one. Let's do that one. Okay, get it peeled off of there. Okay. Let's see. I think I'm going to put that right at the bottom of my white. I'll leave it on my blue though so I can see, and hopefully this will be straight. Straight enough. Okay, let's layer this down. Now this designer paper that she's just used a little bit, will probably be leaving us. That looks like maybe the rock and roll paper. This looked like it was some of our in color. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna cut that down even just a hair more and have it looks like it's coming out of the side of the card there with the blue. Love that. Okay, we need some dimensionals. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. Want that coming off right there. Let's see. Can we put a little dimensional right behind that leaf, maybe? I just don't want the black to show. Okay. That is great. Where's this? I want to take off this little heart and use that. I want to use all the pieces. All right, we're going to put a new piece of dimensional back there. All right, come on. Doesn't want to come off. And we'll just put that right there. Oh, that's so sweet. So sweet. Okay, we've got 2 more pieces. We're going to put these 2 on the same card. Okay. Let's think for a second. All right, I've used, oh, I used all my, I didn't use this color. Let's use this. Let's use this one. Okay, I think I do want to put a piece of, I'm not sure. Not sure. Part of me wants to put that little bird on top of the high. Do you know what I'm saying? Can I do that? Carrie, don't kill me. I am just going to reimagine your card candy for a minute here. We are just going to reimagine. All right, you know what? I don't like the white on here, so this is what we're going to do. Let's cut this to 5 1/4. Oh, it's already at 5 1/4 by 4. No. Whoop. 4 by 5 1/4 this way. Okay. Then we're going to take this white and let's do 5 by 3 3/4. All right, we're just going to add a little extra layer. Without having to do any die cutting or embossing. These are nice, good size elements, so we can make this work. Okay. All right, now that we're just gonna do this. As long as we're at it, we're just going to reimagine this whole thing. I'm wondering, hold on a second. I'm gonna put that high, I'm gonna put that there. Hold on, I just wanna see how this looks. Our little bird standing on our high, covering up that, and then we're gonna put these behind it. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. Okay, let's do this. All right, I don't think Carrie will kill me. Just figure out how we're gonna make this work on this card. Okay. On that side, see if we can get it at the same angle. Okay, I am going to actually glue this down. Let me scrape off that little bit of dimensional. Okay. Oh, we need to get this under here. Hold on. Okay. Glue here. It's going to be covered by the bird, except there's a dimensional there. Oh my goodness, I am a mess now. Got glue all over me. There's a rogue dimensional. Okay. Yikes. All right. A couple dimensionals for our little bird. Carrie's already got 2 dots on there. So those are perfectly in place. All right, we've got this little heart. I'm gonna put, let's see if I can get a little dimensional behind it without showing the black. I don't know what to do with this. I'm just gonna put it off to the side. There we go. That's it. I hope she doesn't kill me. Okay, there are 4 adorable cards from Carrie Ray and her wonderful bird's eye view card candy. All right, I hope you enjoyed today's project. Just to give you some inspiration. This is why I love playing with my scrap box too. But today, I don't even have to make the scraps. or sort the scraps. I'm just getting some cardstock and using what I got from everybody. So it's awesome. Okay, I will put measurements and supplies on my blog. So if you're interested, I would love for you to place an order with me. I have a host code listed on the link below the video if you're watching on my YouTube channel. And I will see you all soon. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.